Hi. Okay, so right now, I'm going to show you magic. I'm going to show you that a basketball will bounce by itself and go fall in the basket. Okay, so that's going to be a project for today, and we'll start. Let's do that. So I want a basketball, right? So let me choose a basketball court. Alright, so I have a basketball court. Now what is the next thing I need? I need a basketball. So let me choose a basketball. And let me keep it here. So when you throw from outside this line, it's called a three-pointer. And that's what we're going to do. The ball is going to go fall within the basket. Pretty cool, right? Alright, let's do that. So I take the flag, and now what I want to do is I'm going to repeat 10 times. What is that I want to do? I want this to go up and up and up and up till here, right? So it's moving in the right and it's going up. So remember we saw that to move to the right we need to increase the x. Now it needs to go up also. So we are going to increase y as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and I'm going to say change x by, let's say, 30. And change y also by 30. Now we usually wait for a second before this goes, right? So let's add that as well. Now let's try how this works. Wow, it's going up. Pretty cool, right? It's gone above that. That's not what we want. We want it to stop here, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to repeat it only less number of times. Let's say 7 times. And now let me bring the ball back and let's try again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now what are we going to do? We want it to look like it fell into the basket, and what happens when it falls into the basket? It comes down, right? So now after this we are going to change the ball to come here. And how do we do that? We go to motion. Now we change x and y, right? Now we are going to use another thing called set. So after it goes 7 times up to here, I'm going to change x to 0 and I'm also going to change y to 0. So what will happen if I do that? Let's see that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then down. So now it looks like the ball went to the basket and fell inside and came down. It's pretty cool, right? Alright, so I hope you really enjoyed this shooting three-pointer with a basketball without anybody throwing it. Okay, I'll see you next in the next video. Okay, see you. Bye-bye.